Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Sunday, it's actually Sunday, yes. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper. Saturday, March the 26th, 2022. Today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper. So we have one puzzle left. The letter Sudoku I've already solved and the 2-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the last puzzle, Tectonic with a 1 star. And this will be number 4320. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 22 printed digits. Should be an easy one. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Cannot see a single box. I see here dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Here also the 1 and the 2. Need more information, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Then the following question, triple box. I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes, let me mark those 2 boxes. The 3 is already filled in. And more triple boxes. No, quadra boxes. I see here the quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. This box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 5. Sorry, 3, not 5, but the 3. Alright, quadra box, more, no. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box, same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. And wait, this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the Z or the S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. This box, the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, rotated. This box, oh wait, this box has the same number as that box. And then the following, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Then, the last one, last shape, this shape. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. This box, same number as that box. Okay. And those are the figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 5 out of 6. Maximum, there are 6 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then it's easier for filling those numbers. That's the next step. Let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. This box is connected with that box, so we also 2 and the 5. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, so we have a 1 and a 5. But we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this Z construction for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 here, double 2 there. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Two boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place a 5 here because I need a 5 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box should be a 5. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be 3? So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Think. 2 and a 5, okay. 1, 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 3 and the 4. Okay. Come on, it's taking too long. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Where's the opening? 1 and 3. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3, or 5. 1, 2. 1 or 4. These two boxes can be a 2. Those two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me, not helping me. 1, 1, 1. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 4, 3 or 5. Well, 1 or 5. These two boxes can be a 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3. I should be there. Overlooked. This box is connected with that box, so we're also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 4. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then come on. This box can be a 4. Those two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I've marked those two boxes with a 4. Now, this box can't be a 4 anymore because we already have a 4 there, so 4 should be here. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. I've marked those two boxes with a 3, so now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or 5. Yeah. 2, 4, 1. Okay. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 2 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are left. 1 and a 5. But we have a double 1 here. So it cannot be a 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 5. This box should be a 1. This box connected with that box should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this... No. Well, let me go up here. This box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I've marked this box with 2 or 5, but we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Okay. Okay. Let me think. 1, 3, and a 5. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5. It should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box, so we also have 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 1. Finish in 17 minutes. Not pleased with the time, but I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Well, 1 star. No, let me give this 2 stars. Alright, have a great and fantastic Sunday. We will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.